The Magical Teddy Bear. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a little boy named Tommy who had a magical teddy bear named Benny. Benny was no ordinary teddy bear, he could talk and even had a tiny, sparkly wand. One night, when Tommy couldn't fall asleep, Benny whispered, "Let's go on a magical adventure." With a wave of Benny's wand, the room filled with twinkling stars, and they found themselves in a magical land. In this land, candy grew on trees, and the rivers were made of chocolate. Benny and Tommy danced with friendly animals, including talking rabbits and flying squirrels. They even had a tea party with a wise old owl who told funny stories. As the night went on, Benny noticed a sleepy yawn from Tommy. "It's time to go home," Benny said. With another wave of the wand, they were back in Tommy's room. From that night on, whenever Tommy couldn't sleep, Benny was there with his magical wand, ready for another adventure. And so, Tommy and Benny shared many more magical nights, filled with laughter, friendship, and sweet dreams. And that's the story of the magical teddy bear who turned every sleepless night into a delightful adventure for a little boy named Tommy. The end.